You know what? I don't even know what to say. I'm totally speechless. I said in 2022, I wanted to absolutely smash my trading. I've got a lot of big goals this year, a lot of big challenges. For starters, I've just recently just bought a house with my partner. We got accepted on an offer yesterday, so congratulations to that. In March, I've got a Lamborghini coming, which I've pre-ordered for a couple of months now. Last year, FX Learning, the binary destroyer, won FOREX Trading School of the Year for 2021. So we've got a big awards ceremony for that, a big party. Also with my other businesses, I want to expand them. One of them being setting up a restaurant. So I've got a lot of big goals for this year, and I said I wanted to absolutely destroy my trading. I wanted to get my head down, focus, no distractions, and absolutely destroy my trading. And yeah, it's currently the 13th of January, and yeah, I mean, honestly, I'm speechless. I will show you my my success ratio so far for January. It is currently sitting at 71 winning trades, 100% win ratio. And to be honest with you, most of them are all on gold. Honestly, I don't know what it is. For some unknown reason, I thought, you know what? This year, I want to push myself and I'll start trading something different, some Bitcoin, some cryptocurrency, some stocks, some indices, and some gold, because there's a lot of volatility there. When I trade the lower time frames, I know with the binary destroyer, I'm going to be getting a lot more setups. But when you trade the lower time frames on Forex, the pips just aren't there. You know, you can't go for 100 pips on the 1 minute time frame. It's just too much. You know, you have to go to the higher time frame. Well, if you go to the higher time frames, you're going to get a lot less setups. But for some unknown reason, I don't know what it is with gold. With gold, 1 minute time frame with the Mogwai strategy, it's just been incredible. I mean, this is the 5 minute time frame on gold. We've had a nice little buy there. We've had a nice little sell there. We've had a nice little buy there. We've had a nice little sell there. If we go over to the 1 minute time frame now, the 1 minute, we've had a nice little buy just there. We've had a nice little sell just here. And again, we've got a nice little buy just coming up right now. It's absolutely phenomenal. Mind-blowing. But the reason for this video, okay, is I have made an 800% gain on my small trading account. So let me explain to you how we got to this situation. So basically, I said I wanted to absolutely smash my trading. Okay, so I trade the binary destroyer in the evenings. You know, that's what I do. That's how I make majority of my money. But during the day, I'm focusing on other businesses. So I'm not necessarily at my computer. I don't necessarily have the binary destroyer. So I've been trading pure price action off my phone. Now, I didn't realize when I was checking my MT4 app the other day on my mobile that I was actually still logged into my partner's trading account. You might know this, you might not, but during lockdown last year, I was teaching my partner to trade, and I gave her a small trading account, and in fairness, she actually grew that trading account. I think she grew to like 300, 400 pound, and then she blew it. She blew it back down to 33 pound, and I discovered that trading account last week, and in about 8 days, I've made an 800% gain. I'm going to go through every single one of those setups. So as you can see here, look, right? £33 to £301 in 9 days. 812% increase, just trading price action off my phone. Literally just trading price action off my phone. Now, I'm not the sort of person that likes to show off. I never really show you how much money I make from trading because I think it's irrelevant. You know, if I can make loads of money from trading, it doesn't necessarily mean if you're a beginner, you can do the same. For me, it's all about the skills. It's all about the talent. It's all about the high win ratios for me. Because at the end of the day, right, anybody could take a trade. Anybody can take a trade that's lucky and they can make a massive amount of money. Now, just because they've made a massive amount of money doesn't mean that, you know, they're good at trading. It could just be a lucky trade. For me, it's all about consistency. It's all about high win ratios. You know, if you can back to back to back to back take nothing but good setups and winners. For me, that's what it's all about. Because if you can do that, and if you have an awesome talent, at the end of the day, the money's going to come. Whatever you're good at, whatever industry you're good at, you're going to get the money out of it. You know, for me, it's trading. If I get really good at trading, I'm going to make a lot of money from it. So for me, it's not about focusing about the money and showing off about the money. It's about the win ratio. It's about the actual trading results. What's the saying? Actions speak louder than words, and with trading, that could be nothing more than the truth. You know, it's all about the trading results. So as you can see here, the current account is at £301, and I started, well, in fact, this is my success ratio, right? All 100% price action off my phone. £268 gain. If you take that away from £301, you will have a starting balance of £33. So £33 to £301. Now I'll actually go through every single setup that I've took now with my price action, because at the end of the day, it's simple. It's literally just simple trading. A lot of traders out there, okay, I'm going to give you a bit of a mini lesson, right? A lot of people out there seem to have this idea that they'll buy a strategy, they'll buy an indicator, they'll buy some kind of training, they'll watch some kind of video, they'll wake up the next day and that's it. They're a full-time trader. They're just consistent. It doesn't work like that, right? It doesn't matter how good you are at watching videos, reading books, you know, an indicator. It's all about learning. The more you spend learning, the better you get at trading. You know, when you see me doing all my challenges, right? Even when I built the beginners to expert course on my website, I have a beginners to expert course. And in that course, I set members challenges, you know, take 10 trades using pure price action, take 10 trades using or taking trades with the trend. Well, I also do those challenges. I also push myself to become a better trader every single day. Rather than learning how to install indicators or learn about a strategy, you just get better and better and better and better. Push yourself every single day. And believe me, if you do that, 2022 will be your year. I've spent years trading the binary destroyer every single day, every single week for 6 years, right? That's why I'm good at it, right? Because I just repeat the same thing over and over again. And then I come out with these crazy challenges like, can I do 100% win ratio in a month? I don't know, but let's find out. Kobe Bryant actually said that.
Like I would watch Magic play. I'd watch Michael play. And I would see them do these unbelievable things. And I'd say, you know, can I get to that level? I don't know, but let's find out.
And also, you know, can I do 5,000 pips a day? I don't know, but let's find out. So let's go over some of my price action setups here. So the first one was a set. I mean, look at that, right? Look at that 1 minute. Look at that, right? 1 minute time frame. I would already be in pips with gold right now in the 1 minute time frame. I just don't know what it is with gold. Honestly, I don't know what it is. But yeah, I want to show you, right? So let's bring it to some price action, okay? I want to show you this beautiful sell on gold earlier today, right? And that was, just to be honest with you, I'll show you, it was this sell here. So these two sells here on gold, right? I locked in, what's that, 40, 50, 60, about £70, right? Quite simple. Let's just look at this. Daily time frame. So look at the daily time frame now. What have we got at this level? Let me just make myself smaller so you can see, right? And this is just, it's just simple price action. What have we got at this level? Oh, a resistance level, right? How do we know it's resistance level? Because we come up to this level here and we've got a rejection, 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 and guess what? Rejection. So resistance area on the daily time frame. What I did was go down to the 1 hour time frame. Oh, and guess what I have at this level? Another resistance. So we've got this daily resistance here, right? And then what we actually did, well, or let me just, I'll make this a little bit smaller so you can see it. There we go there, okay? And what we actually did was we had this other resistance area as well. So what actually happened was we had a daily resistance and a 1 hour resistance. So what actually happened here was price bounced off this resistance area, pulled back, created a support level, bounced back off this resistance level. Well, obviously I'm going to sell again, ain't I? So I sold. Price pulled back up. And what do you think the next move is now? What do you think the next move is? Down. It's just down. That is it. It's simple, isn't it? Right, let's show you gold. Not gold, Bitcoin. I took a trade on Bitcoin. Do I have Bitcoin on here? I believe I do. So indices. Oh no, I don't have Bitcoin on here. So let me just look at some of the trades that I took. USD/JPY was a buy. BTC, gold, NZUSD, Aussie USD. Let's go over Aussie USD, right? Let's try and figure out what I did with Aussie US dollar. So let me find you Aussie US dollar. Again, let's bring it up here. I'm sure I'll figure some price action out here. Okay, so you know what? I can't even remember when I took. I remember USD/JPY. Let me try and figure out. Hold on, let me pause the video. Okay, so USD/JPY. I figured it out now because this was that buy that I took off my phone, as you can see here, right? Again, quite simple. Let's break down USD/JPY. So let me find USD/JPY. We'll bring it up here. We'll do some naked price action, and it was. Oh, I can't even remember again. I honestly can't remember. Okay, so 15-minute time frame. So I started off on the daily. Okay, so here we go. Let's go back to the daily. So I'm on the daily now. Okay, right. So it makes sense. So what we had on the daily was this area of resistance here, right? Just there. Okay, so what actually happened here was price came, I believe it was there. Yeah, there we there. Okay, there we go there. Okay, so we had this area of support just there, as you can see here by number of touches. Well, if you look left, you can see one touch there. I believe it was there and there as well. Like I said, I'm just going with what I can remember. That was the buy. So yeah, it was that level there. So going back here, it was that level here. I bought it further down. So there you go there. There's that buy. Okay, so we had a support line there. And then what I simply did was go down to the 15 minutes. And as soon as price came down to this level, what do you think I did? I bought from this level. I bought it. So as you can see here, we had a nice little move up. Now, at the end of the day, right? Okay, we had a nice little retouch of this support level. And then, look what happened here. Again, simple. Just keep it goddamn simple. Right, look what happened. We had this nice little support line, like I said, off the daily time frame. Bounced off it. Came back up. What do you think happens again? Bounce back off it. And then, what do you think happens now? Price breaks the resistance, support. So when it breaks support, right, and it retouches it there, what do you think the next move is? Down. Exactly. It's down. And that's what happened. Obviously, I didn't take this trade. I took the buy off the support line, off the higher time frame. And you can actually see that actual trade. You can see the actual trade here. So that was the buy off the support line. That's the setup off the 15 minutes. And that's the end result of that one. As you can see here, nice little buy. Also, I want to tell you about that trade that I took on gold. A lot of BD members having awesome success as well. Aussie USD 5-minute time frame. Nice little sell. So this is Bitcoin. This is Aussie US dollar. Same again, Aussie US dollar. This is Bitcoin here. So same again, we had a nice little support line on Bitcoin. A nice little break and retouch. Just simple break and retouches of support and resistance. That is it. And that is it. Let's have a look at how that setup is getting on gold. So naked price action. Let's bring up the 1 minute time frame. Okay, binary destroyer, and again we got this nice little setup again here. So nice little sell opportunity right now, hot happening on NZ on gold. This like I said, okay, MACD's gone overbought. We've got a nice little Mogwai signal. All I need is 50 or 100 pips, and that is it. So yeah, my name's Jamie Palmer. Expect a lot more videos like this because I am in the zone. I'm fired. I'm ready. I'm going to smash 2022. My name is Jamie Palmer. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And yeah, thank you for watching.